Hi, Todd with Tribble Painting. Welcome to the Wall of Color. Today on the wall, and it's actually February 14th, so Valentine's Day as we're shooting this, we're gonna do a Valentine's Day inspired color called Pink Ladies. Now this color won't be for everyone, but if you're looking for some pop or maybe have a kid who's looking to paint their bedroom, this might be the color for you. Let's go ahead and look at Benjamin Moore's Pink Ladies. Okay, there's our first coat of Pink Ladies. Wow, I needed sunglasses to look at this color. I'd say it's a bright color, but actually Pink Ladies only has an LRV of 31.77, so it's not gonna reflect a ton of light back into the room, but it really does jump out and grab you. You know, all color is personal, but we find pinks more than any other color don't transfer the way people think they will from the paint chip to the wall. So like any color, please put a sample up in the room before you decide to go ahead and paint the whole room. Take a look at the color over a number of days in natural and artificial light before you dive in with whatever color, specifically pink. So let's go ahead and put that second coat of Pink Ladies on. This covered pretty well, but we'll take a look at it and talk more after the second coat. Okay, there we have our second coat of Pink Ladies. It covered really well for a color with that much red in it. Sam put that second coat on and Aaron installed that white baseboard. So you get an idea of the contrast if you had a lighter colored trim. So Pink Ladies, like I mentioned earlier, only has an LRV of 31.7. So you don't think of this as a color that's gonna reflect a lot of light. But man, is this color bold and I think bright. I don't think of this as a dark color. We use this a lot in younger girls' bedrooms. I think that's a place we use it, but that's not the only place. This would be a real statement color, and it's a fun color. So let us know your thought on Benjamin Moore's Pink Lady. Where would you use this? Would you use this? And please hit subscribe and like while you're at it, because that helps other people interested in color find our videos. Thanks again.